Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to be doing these pink and white nails. I'm using a cheap polygel kit from Amazon, so if you're interested to see how I did these nails, then please keep on watching. So I'm starting off with unboxing the Bobelle polygel kit, and this was available on Amazon for about £21, and it was one of the cheapest ones I could find, with pretty much it being a complete kit. The only thing this one did not have was a UV light. Otherwise it came with everything else, like the polygel brush. It also came with some slip solution, which I thought was interesting because I don't like to use slip solution anymore, but I definitely will give this a try. It comes with your top and your base coat, and these I believe are both 8 milliliters. You get this cool silver / gold chrome kind of powder, and it comes with the little applicator that you saw in the beginning. And I did swatch these on my finger, and they were really nice. I unfortunately did not use them in this video, but I am looking to use them in another one. Then it comes with, I believe, 6 polygels. Yep, 6 polygels, and this super thin file, which was also kind of coarse. So here I am doing the swatches. It comes with this glitter silver shade and a same one in pink, and they're both holographic. A clear, a white, a hot pink, and then a more nudie kind of pink. And the glitters were really nice. I was actually happy that they put this in the kit. I think it's a good kit to create a nude nail or a really jazzed up nail like I did today. It also comes with a pack of dual forms, but I did not want to use those today. Instead, I'm going to be doing the laser gel method, which I did in my previous video and you guys seemed to like. So I was curious to do it again, but this time using Macquart's medium length coffin nails. So I'm starting off with applying base coat to my natural nails, and I'm using the one in the kit. And I'm applying this to all my nails and curing it in the light. I would say it's probably better to get a kit without a UV light, because the ones that usually come with kits are like usually not strong enough, and then they don't really cure your product well. So that's why I kind of chose this kit, because it doesn't come with a UV light, and I would just recommend to go and do your research and buy your own, because that way it's just, you know, it's gonna work because you've done your research on the UV light. And now here I am just opening up the slip solution. I'm trying to figure out how to like open it, but it turns out it was already open after you remove the cap, and it wasn't coming out. So I thought maybe like I was supposed to take the little white thing off, and then I tapped it and quite a bit fell into the dappen dish. And yeah, I really like the packaging of this. It was really nice and secure, and there was like definitely no spill of this, so really happy about that. And then I'm just getting the brush ready and breaking into it with the slip solution and wiping off any extra. So then I apply my coffin tips to a nail stand so that I can get them ready for applying the polygel. And I really like Macquart's coffin nail tips. The shape is really nice. So I'm really also looking forward to get the longer ones. I'm really wanting to get those. They look really good. So I'm starting off with that nude pink kind of polygel shade, and I started off by using the slip solution. Honestly, it worked really well. It was fine for the first couple of minutes, but I felt that as the slip solution started to dry off on my brush, it kind of made it sticky, and that made it stick to the polygel. So this is one of the reasons why I don't like to use slip solution, and I'll show you in a minute what you can use to fix that. And yeah, it was just so much longer to do as well. Like it's not as smooth. It's definitely a more for like patting kind of thing, and I just feel like it was wasting a lot of time. As you can see, I'm trying to get my brush really clean because it was just sticky, but I believe it was the slip solution that just made my brush really sticky as it dried on my brush. So anyways, I'm just showing you how it works with the slip solution. Personally, wouldn't use it, but here I am trying it out. And the shade is really pretty, by the way. It's like a nice nude light pink, definitely really nice. So if you find that you are experiencing the same thing with the slip solution, please use the base coat that comes with this kit. I definitely can guarantee that it is going to work a lot better. As you can see now, I'm more gliding. I'm more at ease with my brush. It's just easier, everything is just nice and smooth, and I finish much faster there. So just use the base coat that comes in the kit. You don't have to go off and find a kit with a slip solution or go off and buy individually. Trust me, you really don't need it. So now again, I wanted to do a French tip nail because I've never done that before using the lazy girl method. This is my second time trying it, and after the results I got today with this nail look, I was like definitely more into it. Like, I loved the nails I did last time in my previous video, which I'll link down below, but to be able to pull off a look like this with only using the lazy girl method, it's like, it was so easy, and it looks like I put in so much effort to do it, but really I didn't. You just need a little bit of practice with your polygel and you'll be fine. Like, honestly, this method was really nice actually, because I was able to finish this whole set in about 15 minutes maximum for my second time doing this and creating such a nice look in the end. I was really happy with it. So once I've done that, I'm basically just popping off the nail from the nail stand, and I just put it on my nail. You don't want to push down too much, you just want to place it on there. And there you go, you cure that for 60 seconds and that's what it looks like. I did not get any heat spikes with this polygel. I found that it was really soft to work with this polygel. It's a really nice soft, almost macarte consistency polygel, and yeah, the quality of it was just really good for the price that you pay. So I would definitely recommend this polygel kit. I think this brand is definitely more of like a newer kind of polygel kit brand that's come out, because they don't have too many products on the Amazon store page, but this is one of them, and I believe they have some others. And yeah, I just really like it. Like, for the price you paid, it's really good. So for this nail, I wanted to do like a glitter ombre type nail, and as soon as I swatched this glitter on the piece of paper, I definitely knew I wanted to use it in this look. So as I began blending it upwards, I started to see the holographic pieces pop out more, and it just looks so stunning. Like, the camera doesn't do it justice, but they are really holographic. It's like that really good quality holographic glitter that doesn't dull, and it definitely does show through in the end. So yeah, really nice. Again, the white also same consistency, really soft, really easy to work with. It almost felt buttery. I don't know if it's because I was using it with the base coat, but like for the nails that I did an ombre for, all of them just felt so buttery and smooth, and it was so quick and satisfying to do. Like, I honestly loved it so much. And now I'm done with that. That was honestly like less than a minute, and I place it on my nail, 60-second cure, and it's good to go. And that's how quick that is. And I forgot to put this one on the nail stand, so I did that really quick. And then for this one, I thought I wanted to do more of like a marble, I guess. So if you guys don't really have too much of a use for your spatula, because I know I don't sometimes, I like to use it for basically doing marbles like this. It's just so much easier because polygel is quite a thick consistency compared to gel polish. It's easier to do the marbling with a spatula compared to the brush. So what I did is I just put the colors down and swirled them about, applied my base coat, and then just blended where I wanted that marble to be. You can always remove the nail and check it from like the top and see if that's how you like it. If you don't, you can always go back and change it. And that's again another pro of using this method. You could definitely see the nail before you are to put it on your actual nail bed and then cure, so you can always go back and fix, remove or add anything, or just throw it out and completely start again. So I really like that about this method too. Now just placing that on, pushing down slightly because of course you want it to be nice and secure your nail, and then just cure that for 60 seconds. The lamp that I use is a UV light, and it is I believe the Sun X one. I always link it down below. It's super good. I've been using it for quite a few years now, and it's still going strong, and it still cures all my polygels, hard gels perfectly. So I recommend this one. And this is again gonna be like a nice full nail of that nudie pink. I didn't really want to use that hot pink in this set because I wanted to bring out the glitters more. So, and I feel like I've definitely done that. I really love the glitter polygels in this kit. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know what you think of this video so far. If you are enjoying it, please do hit the thumbs up button down below, and don't forget to subscribe for more review videos like this, because I love polygel, and if you are into polygel, then definitely stay around for more of those kind of videos. So just placing that on the nail and then curing that in the light. But this nail, it was gonna be the same like ombre kind of nail, and as you can see, there's nice holographic pieces in there. Super nice, super buttery to work with. I don't know if buttery is the right word, but it was definitely super smooth. And yeah, just put a bit of pressure to blend and get some of those glitter pieces in to be more sparse, and then you've got yourself a nice little ombre. So for this one, I wanted to do the nail bed color, that pink shade, and I definitely liked this nail more than the one on my pointer finger with the white. I just feel like the pink complemented that pink really well, and as you'll see in a minute, it's just so smooth to work with this polygel. I absolutely loved it. Placing that on my nail and curing in the lamp for 60 seconds. And now I'm going to use the top coat to basically apply underneath the nails where the polygel is cured. However, it's going to be sticky when I found I don't want dust to get stuck there or any dirt to get stuck there. So I just apply my top coat and cure that. So when it comes to filing, I can just easily cleanse off the nails from underneath and make sure that there is definitely no dust. So now onto my filing routine. With my filing routine for these nails, it's slightly different because the surface is already so smooth. All I have to focus on is the cuticle area, just to blend it a bit more. That's if you want to do that. Of course, you don't have to. And I just shape the sides, and that's pretty much it. There's nothing more to it. And yeah, I just love how much this method has cut down my filing time. And the e-file that I'm using is from Macart. You can use my discount code nailedbyk for 15% off. I will have that link down below. And this e-file has been going strong for a good 2 years now. I absolutely love it. It's so good. It's never failed me. The bits are amazing as well. Yeah, so definitely try out this nail drill. I have it in blue, but now it's available in this cute pink color, so that's definitely the one I'm gonna go for as soon as this one dies, whenever that will be. And these are available on Amazon as well as their website, which is macart.com. And the drill bits that I'm using, they are just some random drill bit sets from Amazon, which are also really good. I've been using these for a while now as well, and they come in a good variety of shapes and some good safety bits as well, and some good cuticle bits as well. So you definitely get a good bunch in there to do a full nail set, for prep, for debulking, for smoothing, for buffing. You definitely get it all in there, so I will definitely link that down below and you guys can check it out. So filing again, just making sure that the cuticle area is nice and smooth, nothing to the surface, wiping off that dust. Super quick filing routine. And now I'm just picking out what I wanted to jazz these nails up with. I definitely wanted to do some crystals. I've been starting to get into that whole crystal thing because I don't do it a lot, and I've just been seeing so many pictures on Instagram, and it's definitely made me want to do like a set with a lot of crystals. It's not this one, but I am planning to do one soon. So to apply some of the stones for this nail only, I put a layer of that clear polygel down, smoothed it out with the base coat, and then applied my crystals on top of that just to help it be secured on there, because I don't really do crystals much, so I don't know how it was going to be for me. I don't know if I was going to knock them all off, or I don't know. So I just kind of wanted to make sure they were extra secure in there. I've seen people use polygel to secure their crystals when they're usually really big, but I still wanted to put polygel in there because I'm not too used to them. So I'm just putting on a random bunch of crystals, just going down in a line. I don't know, I kind of was just going off what I felt like doing, and then I'm using the metal end of the wax pencil to move around those crystals. And definitely use yourself a wax pencil to apply your crystals, because wax pencils are honestly game changers for crystal application. Instead of using those annoying tweezers, just don't use those. Get your hands on a wax pencil, they're super cheap, and I will link this one down below. So yeah, I really like the crystals that I did on the thumb. I don't know, something about it just looks so pretty and simple. I could definitely do a full nail of this. Like, yeah, definitely love it. I don't know if you could tell, but like the nails have a decent apex from the side. They're not super apexy, I guess. They're not super apexy, but they definitely, I think they will definitely do. I think they're gonna be fine. So applying the top coat, this was my favorite bit, because all that glitter, all that sparkle came straight out, and everything looked, I don't know, these nails just look like I put so much time and effort into them, but I didn't. It just took me like 15 minutes to do this whole thing, and I was just so happy about them, and I definitely got really excited about doing the lazy girl method more. I will still be doing the old, traditional way of doing polygel, because I know there's people out there who love that, and I still love that. I still love having to sit down there and just relax and apply polygel the way, I used to. So don't worry, I will still be doing those kind of videos as well, but also some of these lazy girl method videos as well, because I know some people out there do love them. So I'm just finishing off with some cuticle oil. This is some almond oil, and it's nice and thick for my cuticles. And this is the final look. Like, look how nice that glitter is. I'm gonna put a little video at the end showing you these nails with some flash. And that is pretty much it for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you think of these nails down below. I absolutely love them. Like, look at how pretty those are. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.